friends. We'll move to next question. See, question number 30. F of x is equals to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. Have to show that f of x into f of y is equals to f of x plus y. How to do this one? See, already given f of x already given. Okay, first have to calculate f of y. F of y means what? Instead of x, have to replace y. Okay, cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is f of y. What is LHS here? F of x into f of y. Okay, take LHS. Take LHS. F of x into f of y. Okay, na? F of x into f of y. Multiply these two things. 3 by 3, 3 by 3 matrix. Matrix multiplication is possible. Okay. How to do the matrix multiplication? Take first row and first column. Cos x into cos y. Cos x into cos y. Plus first row, first column. Sin x into sin y. Minus. Minus sin x into sin y. Okay, na? Next. Second, first row, second column. Cos x into sin y. Minus. Minus cos x sin y. Okay. Plus next sin x into cos y minus sin x into cos y. Okay, next first row last column cos x into 0 0 sin x into 0 0 0 into 1 0. Okay na? So answer 0. This one 0. Okay na? Next second row first column sin x into cos y cos y cos x into sin y plus cos x sin y. Okay, next 0 into 0 0. Okay, next second row second column sin x into sin y minus sin x into sin y. Okay, next cos x into plus cos x into cos x. Okay na? Next third row second row third column 0 0 0. Okay na? Next third row first column 0 into 0 0 into 0 0 1 into 0 0. So 0 into 0 0 into 0 1 into 0 0. This is also 0. Okay na? Again third row third column 0 into 0 0 0 into 0 0 1 into 1 1. Okay na? So answer. Okay, this is the modified answer. Okay na? So cos x cos y sin x sin y. What is answer? Our formula is there in first QC. Okay, what is the sin cos x cos y minus sin x sin y? What is the formula? I will write here. Okay, so cos x plus y. This is the formula. Cos x. Okay na? Next 0 minus is there, no? Make the comment minus. So formula is sin x cos y plus minus of minus. Okay, minus 1 will be the common. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. What is the formula? Sin x plus y. Okay na? Minus of sin x plus y. 0 will be 0. Okay na? Next here sin x cos y cos x sin y. Sin x plus y. Sin x plus y. Here see cos x cos y minus sin x. Okay na? So therefore what is the answer? Cos x plus y is equal 0 0 0 1. Okay na? So observe this one. Okay, what is this? This is nothing but f of x squared. X plus y is nothing but RHS. Okay na? LHS is equal to R. How can we be the RHS here? See, cos x plus y is there. Minus of sin x plus y is there. 0 0 0. Sin x plus y cos x plus y 0 0 0. Okay na? It's clear. So therefore the f of x into f of y is equal to f of xy. This is the question number 13. Okay na? See next question. We will see the next question. Question number 14. Okay. So here show that LHS is not equals to RHS. So if you observe this question, the same matrix in the RHS is there. So let us consider this is A, this is B, this is B. See observe B. So according to the properties of the mathematics, properties of matrices, matrix multiplication is not commutative. Okay na? So AB is not equals to BA. It is not possible actually. It is AB commutative law holds holds. Okay na? That's why it will be true. So I have to prove that it is true or not. I have to check once. Okay. See, I will be. How to check this one? Take first one, first column. 5 into 2, 10 plus. Okay. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. First row, second column. 5 into 1, 5. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Second row, 6 2 ja 12. 21. 6 1 ja 6. 28. Okay na? Not equals to this one. Yeah. Do this one also. First row, first column. 2 into 5. 2 5 ja 10. 6. Okay. First row, second column. 2 into 1 minus 2. 1 into 7 7. 3 5 ja 15. 24. 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 28. Okay na? So this is the simplified. 10 minus 3 7 1 30 33 34. Okay, 34 not equals to 16 5 30 39 25. Okay, observe these two things. These are not equal. See, 7 1 32 34 16 5 39 25 not same. Okay na? This is the next question. This is the second question. Same problem. You have to do homework. Okay na? So this is A. Consider as this is A. This is B. This is B. A. Not possible. Same matrices. Okay. Not possible. First row, take first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, like that. Do the multiplication. These two things. We'll get one answer. Do these multiplications. We'll get answer. Both will not be equal. Okay na? At last. Okay na? So do this one as a homework. Okay. So next question, question number 50. Okay. Find A square minus 5A plus 6i. If A is equals to matrix is given. This is one of the important. Okay. So here, how to find out A square? A square. A into A. A into A. Write down same matrix 2 times. Okay na? First row, first column. First row, first column. 2 into 2, 4. 0 into 0. 1 into 2, 1. Okay na? 1 into 1. 1 into 1. So first row, second column. 2 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Okay. Next, first row, third column. 2 into 1, 2. 0 into 3, 0. 1 into 0, 0. Okay na? Next, second row. Let's shift to the second row. Second row, first column. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 2, 2. 3 into 1, 3. Okay. Second row, second column. 2 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 3 into minus 1, minus 1. Okay na? Second row, third column. Okay. 2 into 1, 2. 1 into 3, 3. 3 into 0, 0. Like that, you have to go third row also. Okay. Do it as a homework. Okay. 1 minus 1, 0. First column, second column, third column. Third row, first column, second column, third column. Okay na? You get this one. So this is A square. Okay na? Next, you can easily find out 5A, no? 5A and 6A. We'll get the answer. Okay na? So see, already calculated the A square. 5 minus 1 to 9 minus So let us consider a square minus 5a plus 6i. Okay na, 6i, a square, write out like this, same a square, 5 into a, 5 into a is given now, 5 into a, plus 6i, I is identity matrix now, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, so 6 into identity matrix, so 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6, okay, so multiply and add and subtract, okay, see 5 minus 5 2s are 10 plus 6, corresponding elements add and subtract, okay, minus 1 minus 5 into 0 0, okay, 0, next 2 minus 5 into 1 minus 5 0, okay na, like that I have to add and subtract, we will get this answer. So 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 10 minus 5 4, okay, clearing it out, you can ask the question, okay. So same subtraction addition will be same, okay. You see the next question. See my dear students, question number 16, okay, do it as a homework. Already done, this type of problem already done, okay. A matrix is given, have to prove that a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i is equals to 0, okay na. How to do this one, I will tell the procedure, you do as a homework, okay. So a square, first we have to calculate a square, okay, a into a, okay, a into a, next we have to calculate a cube, okay, a into a square, otherwise a square into a, okay, a cube. So a cube after the completion of a cube calculated, a square already calculated here now, so multiply with 6, okay, 6 into a square, 7 into a is given, plus 2 into I, okay, this is 3 by 3 matrix now. You consider the identity matrix 3 cross 3, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, 2 into I means 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2, okay. So add and subtract all these values, you will get the zero matrix, 0 into 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 2, okay. So if you have it out, you can ask. So we will see the next question, question number 17, okay. A matrix is given, I matrix, identity matrix is given, find k so that a square is equals to ka minus 2i, a minus 2i. How to do this one? See. So I have to find out the k value. First I have to calculate a square, okay, matrix multiplication. You know how to calculate the matrix multiplication, okay. A square, a into a, same, repeat. So first row, first column, 3 are 9, minus 2 into 4, minus 6. First row, second column, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus 2 into minus 2, plus 4. Okay, like that second row will be same. Okay, answer will be 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4. Simplify it, very easy. Okay, next consider this one. A square is equals to ka minus 2i. Okay, write down a square value. 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4 is equals to Ka, K into A already given now, Ka means what? 3K minus 2K, 4K minus 2, okay na? So, minus 2i, 2i means what? 2 identity matrix, 2 0 0 0 2, okay na? So, write down same only, 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4, 3k minus 2, 3k minus 2, minus 2k 0, 4k minus 0, minus 2k minus 2k minus 2, okay. You can easily calculate by equating any one matrix or any one corresponding element. You can easily calculate the k, okay na? So equate this one, minus 2, no, minus 2 minus 2k, minus 2k is equals to minus 2, okay, k is equals to 1. If you take any value, we will get the k is equals to 1. If you take this one, 3k minus 2 is equals to 1. Equate this also, these two also, okay, equate these two things. 3k minus 2, 3k is equals to 1. 1 plus 2, 3, k is equals to same. K into any one, not r, okay. So k is equals to, this is the simplification. Thank you, students.